Too bad Martins left this early. I'm wishing him all the best. You can see the video, guys.
The first housemate is Martins.
Shout out to Chisom Chukwuka. I think he must be the luckiest guy this week. He won the most influential housemates after the votings from the inner housemates. And I was wondering, with all the whole strict rule he did during the HOH, I was really impressed to see that they voted him. And to also be lucky, the head of house was also given the veto power, and she also saved Chisom Chukwuka this week. And that's most influential to give him an immunity for next week eviction. Can't you see how lucky this guy is? Too bad that Martins, after the whole lap dance thing and the whole this thing, he just left too early like that. He's always like that. But I just pray for him that he get to reach places. It's not by how far, it's how well you're doing. So guys, I just wanted to report to you guys what is happening live now this Sunday. I don't know if there's going to be another eviction, but if there is, I'll let you guys know.